Hello everyone, a big welcome to Vibe in Action, your exciting gateway to the future. Hi Peter,
Hello.
my friend, you're looking so sharp.
I tried my best today.
And we're in a new studio.
It's so like sciencey, isn't
Yeah.
it? Techie. On a
Like
spaceship,
in a
maybe.
spaceship. I think you're going to be especially glad to meet today's guest. You feel a sense of kinship with this man.
Really? Oh, something to do with the UK? Is it Ed Sheeran?
Well, I hope he is.
Or
I'm
maybe
just
even
trying to
better.
grab some common ground.
I think
with,
more intelligent than Ed Sheeran. Sorry,
of
Ed Sheeran.
course, a lot
Yes.
more. He is actually a professor of quantum information at Yonsei University and head of AI research at Milner Therapeutics Institute at University of Cambridge. Professor Nam-shik is here with you.
Hello, everyone.
Glad to have you, sir.
What are those fancy words like therapeutics, quantum, AI? Tomo, we graduated from AI last time.
Yeah.
I thought that was the promise.
No, we can't graduate from AI forever, for the rest of our lives.
I thought I was an expert.
Because we should consider AI from now on as kind of oxygen, because it's
Okay.
everywhere.
Wow.
And you know what's interesting is he's dividing time between Seoul and London because
Wow.
he works for both Yonsei and Cambridge.
Cambridge is like the hub of intelligentsia in the
What
UK.
a busy man with multiple hats.
How did we get him here?
I know. Thank you for taking the
Oh,
time.
thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, talking about AI. AI is now merging with bio, and that will be like the most advanced and ultimate version of AI. Am I right, Professor?
Exactly. Quantum supercharging AI, we are literally rewriting the entire blueprint of human life.
Rewriting the entire blueprint of human life. Today is going to be another exciting episode.
Yeah, and sounds like we're going to take a quantum leap in our level of scientific knowledge. Well then, before we take a leap forward, shall we say it together?
Okay. Vibe in action! Wow. Blood tests, surgery, even AI like diagnosing you at home. Hyunmo, have you ever experienced that kind of AI-driven biotech?
I'm not sure. They all seem pretty science fiction to me.
That's true.
However, these days, smartphones, smartwatches, and those smart fitness bands, they already do have some impressive functions related to our health and wellness, such as tracking your heart rate, monitoring your sleep patterns, and even checking your blood sugar. So aren't these smart devices already acting as an AI doctor or an AI nurse?
Yeah, that's exactly right. So in the past, you had to go to a hospital to check your vitals. But nowadays, you have your smartwatch, and then your smartwatch consistently monitor and measure your blood pressure and other biometrics 24/7. And even AI now analyze these massive data sets to get the early warning signs for you. Definitely, you can call it as your most diligent and personalized AI doctor.
That's amazing. I need to make more use of it because I kind of just think of it like a feature on my phone and I don't turn it on. I guess it is tracking me all the time though, but I never imagined it could be such a big part of this massive bio industry. But how much impact is AI actually having on the biosector?
That's a very good question. As I said, it's rewriting the fundamental rule of entire industry in three ways. So first, in diagnostics, AI is already proven itself that it's better to see the microscopic cancer cells than trained human doctors.
Oh, wow.
And also in, for example, treatment, by analyzing DNA sequence, which has your genetic information, AI now can tell you more precisely like which part of your DNA causing the problem, like a cancer.
Wow.
And thirdly, in development-wise, drug development already get a lot of impact. For example, AI can reduce the time and costs so that you can have a better drug in a faster manner.
So it's already really deeply embedded in the bio industry.
AI has been working behind the counter all the time.
We haven't noticed, right? We just benefit from it.
Honestly, it is unbelievable because I am a type of person who has to try everything on before buying things online. And I would feel much more comfortable talking to a human doctor. But there was a significant moment when I could truly feel that the world of medicine is indeed changing. I think you would remember it too. The 2024 Nobel Prize. The prize in chemistry was given to the creator of AlphaGo, Demis Hassabis, the CEO of Google DeepMind, and it was an eye-opening landmark incident which left a strong impression on everybody.
Yeah, well, we've won it for building a system called AlphaFold that solves a long-standing problem in biology, 50-year kind of grand challenge. I mean, Nobel, I think, originally set what the prizes that he set back at 100 plus years ago. So obviously there was no computer science, but I think it's been pretty amazing to see the effect of AI on the other sciences and as a tool, and I think we'll probably start seeing more of that.
It was a truly symbolic moment, as field long believed that traditional science called chemistry, for example, are now AI researchers take the center stage.
Wow. So problems that human experts, like the cleverest people in the world, couldn't solve for decades, what kind of magic was AI using? That's unbelievable.
Sure. So proteins are the building blocks of your life, and the protein, how it kind of folds, determines whether this protein causing a disease or curing the disease. And the problem here is the folding combination of protein is greater than the stars in the universe.
Wow.
So the DeepMind researchers trained the AlphaGo with millions of protein structure, and then eventually, the AI now solved the cosmic puzzles in a matter of seconds. Wow. So this is basically just like building an entire massive Lego blocks in seconds.
Wow. It is just like Lee getting defeated by AlphaGo.
So it can beat
Traditional
Lee
chemists.
and beat chemists at the same time.
Yes, wow. I've heard that the AI system called AlphaFold, developed by DeepMind, is considered the most useful thing that AI has ever done. And thanks to this AlphaFold, the speed of drug development is now on a completely different level. Is that right?
Yeah, you are absolutely right. So this is in completely different level. So now, for example, AlphaGo tackling with the hardest part of the drug discovery. So puzzle solving part. And as I said, it's just like predict a new protein structure in a matter of seconds, and that's cost down and cutting time down in drug discovery. Wow. So this is a great achievement.
Yeah, it's jaw-dropping, isn't it? So that's why all the big tech giants are going all in on this market as well, right? And it's not just Google and Microsoft, but our good friend NVIDIA also.
They're everywhere.
Healthcare is going through their ChatGPT moment. We're talking about AI physics or AI biology for drug discovery, AI agents for customer service and support of diagnosis, and of course, physical AI, robotic systems.
that was our friend Jensen Huang. He's everywhere the action is.
Yes.
But with global giants like NVIDIA charging ahead, armed with massive capital and data, I can't help but wonder, how are Korean companies and researchers holding their ground in the midst of it all?
I think it's a really important question, and fortunately, Korean government is strongly committed to fostering AI and healthcare together. And also the government, industry, and academia and even hospitals are all working together and sometimes competing through the precision.
Precision.
But Professor, even if AI is great and all-powerful, does it not have limits to what it can do in terms of driving the bio industry?
That's a really sharp question, Peter.
I'm a bit suspicious.
No matter how AI is smart, anyway, it's running on a classical computers. However, the biomedical system is not that simple and is really involved with massive tons of interactions between the molecular subject in our body. And that's simply not possible that the current computing system calculate. So this is where we need kind of new calculating engine called quantum computer.
But however, unlike AI that has become somewhat familiar now, quantum computing still feels very vague, and people say it's still in the early phase, years away from widespread application. But are you saying that quantum computers will drive AI to new heights, especially in the field of biology?
Yeah, this is exactly the point where the quantum stepped in to AI drug discovery. So in simple words, quantum can calculate 0 and 1 simultaneously, which is a real opportunity for us because it allows us to model and simulate the real complexity of biology in one simulation. And I just want to give one example why quantum is also needed for AI, which is, let's say AI is a very smart car driver, and quantum computer is really powerful supercar. So combining those two, we can really unlock the secret of incurable disease, for example, Alzheimer.
It's like combining Lewis Hamilton with Ferrari.
Exactly.
Or Peter Bint with Porsche. Wow, so that's a really good analogy. Although now with autonomous driving on the horizon, maybe the car can do it by itself. But I see what you mean. They are a set. They go hand in hand, right? Quantum computers and AI, that's when it gets powerful, when they come together.
Well, I'm getting it that quantum is the way forward, and quantum and AI are converging to create this ultra powerful quantum AI. But putting aside whether the technologies are mature enough or not, viewers would ultimately want to know, how is the quantum enhanced AI really going to change my life? Professor Han, what's your answer to that?
Yeah, in the simple way to explain is that it means the perfect personalized medicine only for you.
Customized.
Wow.
So it will give you a kind of really customized drug for only yourself by analyzing your DNA sequence. And the beauty of this is actually it can give the drug that before you even get sick.
That would be perfect, wouldn't it? I had some terrible
I'm losing
indigestion.
my chance to get sick
That's a good
and take
thing.
a day off.
Oh no, that's a bad thing, isn't it?
And yeah, through this very long and healthy life to 150 years old, it's not just like sci-fi movie anymore.
I'm going to live 100 years more.
I need to earn more money for my retirement, I think. Okay. But it does seem like quantum technology is that big frontier for many countries. So I heard over in the US, they had in 2018 their National Quantum Initiative, where they're trying to invest like $1 billion every year. And then China, similarly, through its 15th five-year plan, and that's from 2026 to 2030, they're investing like 15.3 billion, right? Wow. That is a lot of public investment.
And how is the EU doing?
So European Union also pouring astronomical investment into this so-called advancing technologies like AI, quantum, and biohealthcare through their so-called Horizon Europe program.
Wow. And they're all vying for quantum supremacy. I can understand that this is going to be a critical national asset, but what is Korea's winning strategy in this battlefield? What is Korea's competitive edge? Are you ready to find out together?
Yes.
Okay. 5 in action.
Quantum, the smallest unit of all matter and energy. In this microscopic world, like a spinning coin, a remarkable phenomenon occurs where front and back exist at the same time. And quantum computers are what use these properties of quantum for computation. In Korea, a commercial quantum computer is currently in operation in Incheon, the IBM Quantum System 1 of Yonsei University. The first commercial quantum computer in Korea and a state-of-the-art quantum system, the fifth of its kind in the world, following the United States and Japan.
전 세계에 100큐비트가 넘는 양자 컴퓨터가 한 35대, 40대가 채 안 됩니다. 127큐비트 그런 범용성 양자 컴퓨터가 도입된 거는 전 세계적으로 국가 기준으로 보면은 우리나라가 5번째고요. 그리고 대학으로는 당연히 전 세계에서 2번째. 우리나라는 당연히 이제 최초입니다.
With 127 qubits, it can process 2 to the power of 127 states simultaneously. That's a level capable of computing more data at once than the number of stars in the universe. Yonsei University decided to introduce a quantum computer to harness this immense computational power and find clues to solving humanity's most difficult challenges. Even in biological data analysis, where conventional AI had its limits, breakthrough results are expected. By analyzing vast biological data with quantum technology, a digital map of the human body showing how cells are connected can be created. And from this map, quantum computers identify new targets for treatment.
예를 들면 코비드 바이러스 같은 경우에 퀀텀을 사용해서 확인해 보았더니 기존의 알고리즘에서 찾지 못했던 더 높은, 더 깊은 노드까지 찾아가지고 좀 더 실제 코비드 바이러스에서 시간축에 따라서 감염되는, 변화되는 단백질까지 찾아내는 경우를 직접 확인하였습니다.
The quantum race has already begun among global research institutes and leading pharmaceutical companies. Moderna is using IBM's quantum computers for cancer vaccine design, while Boehringer Ingelheim is using Google's quantum computers for molecular structure simulations, respectively.
무엇보다도 산업적으로 가장 큰 그 효용성이 있는 것은 신약 개발 분야일 것 같습니다. 기존의 인공지능 신약 파이프라인을 고도화함으로 해서 15년이 아니라 5년, 5조 원이 아니라 50억, 성공률은 한 20-30%까지 극대화할 수 있는 그런 대변혁이 일어날 거로 기대하고 있습니다.
The Korean government's policy of expanding this year's R&D budget to a record high 35 trillion won range, or $27 billion, and fostering AI and quantum technologies as key engines of national growth. A bold challenge, pushing the frontiers of bio with quantum technology. At the end of this journey to protect human life and health, what kind of future awaits?
인공지능 기술, 양자 기술, 그리고 데이터 기술들이 합쳐진다면 결국 우리는 그 수많은 데이터로부터 각 개인마다의 데이터 패턴들을 이제 시그니처라고 하는데요. 데이터 패턴들을 추출해낼 수가 있고, 그리고 이 데이터들을 가지고 이 계산을 통해서 새로운 지능, 건강지능이라고 해야겠죠. 건강지능이 우리가 만들어진다면 궁극적으로는 우리 미래에는 우리 후손들은 적어도 아프지 않은 사회를 누리게 되는 아마 첫 번째 세대가 되지 않을까 생각합니다.
A new era of bio is unfolding with quantum technology. The innovation set to transform human life has already begun.
So wasn't that the place where you work, your university, Yonsei? But what brought you from the UK back to Korea? Is it your confidence in the quantum bio industry here?
Or a better package deal?
Both.
Both, yeah, but it's more for scientific reasons actually. Of course, at Cambridge, I've seen a real frontier type of science in global scale. However, I also saw the Korea's potential. And as you saw, Yonsei University launched the Korea's first IBM quantum system 1. And I just wanted to help to design the new ecosystem where quantum meets AI here in Korea.
Is that the only one quantum computer in Korea?
Yes.
In the whole of Korea?
There are a few, but in the scale of kind of more than 100 qubits, it's only one at the moment.
Wow, the one and only.
Gaming
the
must be
best.
amazing.
Yes.
Don't even try. Well, I think you're in the perfect position to make an accurate assessment of the current status of Korea, considering your international and revered career. What kind of uniquely Korean quantum bio industry are you envisioning? What kind of unique strengths does Korea have?
Sure. As we all know, Korea has one of the world's best IT infrastructure, and also it has massive high-quality biomedical data sets. And more importantly, our talent is adaptable to any type of science. So we can leapfrog the traditional global pharmaceutical companies by weaponizing this fusion of AI and quantum tech.
Yeah, so there's a huge potential here in Korea, it seems.
Absolutely. We are no longer following the path laid down by others. With this quantum and AI altogether, we are the ones that redrawing the new map of bioscience.
Wow. But when it comes to AI, Korea has been deemed a latecomer. So I hope in the field of quantum artificial intelligence, Korea will overcome its latecomer status and take the lead, especially in its application in the bio industry. Peter, we've so far explored the bio sector in the most unexpected way in relation to two biggest drivers, AI and quantum. How was it? What are your thoughts?
Selfish thoughts, really. I'll be honest, like I've had the masterclass, but if those drugs are developed for my DNA, I can live to 150. I'm going to make some big retirement plans. Yeah, maybe even 200.
Let's
You
make
have
it
a
together.
family to take care of.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of people.
I actually wanted to call my parents right away and say, hang in there.
Yes.
New innovation is coming soon. We're going to live forever young.
Oh.
Please do not let your hope fade away. Well, let's close it off on a hopeful note. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to plug into an even more surprising feature next week. Let's finish it off strong with our VNA.
Oh, V&A, I like it. Okay, one,
All
two,
together.
three.
5 in action.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
It's going to be an innovative new technology in biology, which is called organoids.
Organoids.
I get annoyed.
Pretty much everything that you can imagine now.
Wow, really?
Was your mentor Victor Frankenstein?
We can perform human experiments by using organoids that are grown in a dish. We can connect brain organoid with a computer system.
It does seem like sci-fi, doesn't it?
Maybe in the faraway future, I'm gonna buy a set of fresh new organ to my parents for their birthday.